So this is John. What do you do? In this video, I'm going to show you how I installed this replacement air filter from the HVAC.
Hey, yeah, no cheese.
A new 5-pack of filters for our HVAC. So you can see that's the 5-pack, 6-pack. Got a 6-pack of filters for the HVAC, and we're going to replace this. So these are just little turn screws here, and this whole thing comes down. You can see that's the filter. I'll turn on the light here so you can see. So this is like maybe, I think I'm overdue by like 3 months replacing it. So I'll take a look when I replace the list. But this is a 16 by 25 by 1, which is the same that I got there that I ordered. Okay, so there's 2 tabs. You can see that's one, and the other one is right there towards the top. I moved them. This requires you to bend this a little bit, at least in my installation here. And that is the new blower motor that I installed here. And it's working very well. So I'm going to keep my HVAC system running good, so I'm replacing the filter today. Okay, so this is a 16 by 25 by 1. Simply filters. And you can see that's the direction of airflow. So some filters have these extra supports on both sides. This only has it on one side. So we'll flip it around. This is the direction it needs to be installed. Get it in here now. I'll have to bend it a little bit. Got to put my phone down to do that. Alright, so I got it to go in, and just have to get it in those slats there. And I want to make sure that I'm going to cover the hole. So I just bring it back a little bit, and then there's this little thingy I have to flip. There we go. So I put that one tab down. I got to put it down the rest of the way. Here we go. Now it's installed. So it was pretty simple to install. Just had to bend it a little bit. Moving the old one's easy. So just do this maintenance every 3 to 6 months, or whatever the manufacturer of your unit says. And also the recommendations on the filter. It'll have a recommendation of how frequently you need to change it.
I'll be adding cheese till I die, bro. No cheese, I ain't suicidal. If you bring it to your boy, you gon' fly home. I ain't playing, take a look into my eyes, bro. I don't rock with any kind of cheese, no. Try and bring the cheese to me, I'll leave you on the streets, bro. I ain't trying to have my breath smelling like